Okay, so we found a mistake in the manual. Here we've got a plastic suspension ball which goes over these shafts here. Now in step 15 it tells you to put a suspension ball on both ends of the shafts. For the arms, put the suspension ball on both ends, but in actual fact you do not put it on both ends, you only put it on one end. So here it's saying to use 4, but you only actually need to use 2. In step 11 it doesn't tell you to use any suspension balls at all, but you actually need to use 2. So 2 here and 2 here. It gives you 4, so you've got everything you need. And I actually was going a little bit haywire trying to find my spare suspension balls, and I used 2 of them, which is why I've got 2 left over now. But the kit's got everything you need, so that's good news.